Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and sometimes when I'm riding bike, I have things that I want to pick up or stuff I want to bring with me, and that is where this Maya Cycle bicycle cargo trailer comes in. When I've been riding around on bike and I have this trailer attached to it, I hardly even know that it's there. It really becomes one with my bike, and it's just like this seamless extension that follows right behind it. I love that it's a one wheel design as opposed to double wheels with a wider base. This means that it can handle turns way more easily. The cargo bag that fits inside the trailer is really generously sized, and it can hold a lot of stuff. I even made a trip to the post office and I had several boxes that I had to drop off there, and it fit inside the cargo bag no problem. It straps onto the railings of the trailer, and the trailer also came with these kind of stretchy bungee cord straps for putting over the bag for extra security. So I'm really not worried about my stuff going anywhere. If I have somewhere I'm going and I don't want to take my bike with me, I can convert the trailer into a wheelbarrow and away I go. If I ever have to run some errands and I don't have my car, or I just don't feel like taking my car, now with this Maya Cycle bicycle trailer, I can get it all done with my bike. But that's just my point of view.